It's been a while since we went to a kids' play center, and Gabriel has been bugging us to visit one. It is so timely that nearly on his birthday, there is this brand new children's destination in Dubai, WOO-HOO. It is a museum for kids up to the age of 12 where they could learn and play. It has 10 themed interactive galleries designed to develop a child's curiosity and imagination through hands-on play and fun.
Family side trip.
WOO-HOO is located in Qouz, Dubai, and opens daily at 11 a.m. and closes at 7 p.m. from Saturday to Wednesday, and closes at 9 p.m. on Thursdays and Fridays.
Are you having fun so far?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part is the water gallery and also the clouds.
Water gallery in the clouds? What did you do on the clouds?
Run!
You run under it with the rain?
Yeah.
And you had the raincoat on?
Yeah.
What about the bubbles?
Yeah.
How big did you make the bubbles?
Very.
Very big?
Yeah.
That's a soft landing.
It was a soft landing.
Yeah, Gabriel did it. High five. Yeah. So how was your WooHoo experience, Gab? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Can you talk about what you like in here the most?
I like sitting there.
You like fixing? What else? Did you like the bubbles?
Yeah, a very, very big bubble.
Did you like digging up the gold?
Yeah, and also digging up the water and also the slide on the cave. This is my favorite. I had a woo day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.